On your Wix homepage at wix.com, click on the Settings option at the left side of the screen. On the Settings at Finance and Payments, tap on Accept Payments right here. If you don't see the Stripe right away, click on See More Payment option button. But before that, make sure that your country right now is supported by Stripe. Here is the list of the country that's supported by Stripe, so feel free to pause the video. The supported country are heavily tied with the business location right here on Wix. So if you don't see the Stripe option, most likely it's because your country is not supported yet. And then on the third-party payments option, you may scroll down until you see Stripe option. But if you don't find it again, you may scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then on the More third-party payments option, click the View More button just beside it. Most likely, you will then see the Stripe options, and you want to click on the Connect button. You may scroll down again a little bit and hit the Connect button at the very bottom of the page, and choose the specific Stripe account that you want to connect, and then tap on the Connect button. And there you go, Stripe is already connected to your Wix account, although for now, it requires to upgrade the Wix account to start accepting payments with credit or debit cards. If you still have any questions, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.